Okay, now I have the net and I have a container. We are going to catch ourselves some mosquito larvae along with baby tadpoles. We're going to feed them to fish. As you can see, little black dots in the bottom, tadpoles. The fish will love them. Sorry for the plane noise, but try to get as many tadpoles as I possibly can to feed. Fish. Of course, you know we can't have all these tadpoles surviving because we have nothing but falls all over. If you can see that. See how many tadpoles we have already? Like some of them not even alive. Some of them are dead. But we're going to put these in the fish tank. I see a lot of mosquito larvae, so I'm going to have to put some neem in this water pretty soon, because you can't have all these mosquitoes surviving, living. I imagine about a couple days I'll get more bigger tadpoles. If they get too big, I think the fish will not eat them. I guess we can get some mosquito larvae also. That's why a lot of times, which I understood, this person was saying that if you had a pond and you wanted to get rid of mosquitoes, all you had to do is basically get some fish. And the fish in the pond will make sure all the mosquito larvae do not survive. Tadpoles and mosquito larvae for the fish in the aquarium. Good deal. I see those mosquito larvae just going on their merry way, having themselves a good time. The way it looks is that the tadpoles, they have to come up. They have to come up to get some air. They're not as big as I would like, but I think they'll do for the time being. Got some seeds in here. They're from the bird seed that fell in here. But let's see if we can scoop some more out. Just scooping. Yep. Got mosquito larvae. Tadpoles. Just by, I don't want the big beetle. See it do another scoop. A lot of sediment and stuff at the bottom. When that stuff settles, I think that's where the tadpoles come up, and at the top these guys don't know they're gonna be delicious meal. Of course, it's a rare thing for fish to have some real live moving food. They can eat, because they'll actually eat anything moving basically in the water. Fish will eat it. They are opportunists. Interesting. Like some tadpoles in a little crinkle on the net that I'm trying to, yep, untangle. There it goes. Seeds, mosquito larvae, tadpoles. Tadpoles look pretty big. I almost see like they got an eye on them. Inside the house at the aquarium with the tadpoles and mosquito larvae, hungry fish in the fish tank, ready to eat. Well, let's pour them in and see the feast. There we go. Anything wiggling, anything moving, anything looking like food to the fish, they will eat it. Boy, let me see if we have any more in here. Got a few in there. That fish frenzy just stopped. Let them digest a little bit. Of course, they stay hungry, but that's okay. Only stay trim and they breathe. See, over here, we have babies. See them moving? Little babies. Okay. These right here, these two here, are the mother and father. They protect their brood. As you see, there's no other fish in this area. They stay high and away. As I pan over, so over here, you see this brood. They're pretty big over here, the babies. And as you see, there's no fish over here. They're up there high. They will not come close. So, seems like the fish frenzy is over. I'll pour this little bit in, and we can get some more. There they go. See them just gobble them up? If it wiggles, fish will get it. Hey, let's go get some more. You look like they can do a little bit more eating. Well, let's do a continuation. I gotta charge the phone up. More life to all, less life to none.